Whoosh, we're live, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. We are live. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. This will be a short stream because I'm not gonna go off topic today. I'm just gonna share my stream with everyone. Just give me 5 minutes, 2 minutes. Not even 2 minutes, just give me 1 minute. Everyone's gonna join in. Guys, come on, join. Viewers. Alright, let me share it on the gram. We all see the race. Hit the like button if you saw today's F1 race. And hit the like button if you didn't see that fun race. Either way, hit the like button. And there you go. Okay. Oh, thank God I went live on the right. Yeah. I got scared that I went live on the wrong channel. Okay. Yep. Can't take a story for my Instagram, bro. I'm actually so terrible at taking pictures. Okay. I need the link. Yes, I need the link. Correct. Guys, give me 2 minutes. I just need the link, and we are ready to go. Share, copy. Yes. Live market analysis, join up. Come on. Okay, so let's get started. Those who want to join will join. Those who don't want to join will not join. Okay, so first the format will be, we'll go through the charts first. Actually, we'll go through the news first. So the news. So key things to look out for this week is, first is the earnings seasons, both in the US and India. Look, watch out for the earnings season. Then the retail sales. Also, this geopolitical whatever Sri Lanka shit is which is happening. Russia Ukraine war which is happening. Then Elon Musk withdrew his $40 billion Twitter deal. I mean, like, it's pretty stupid. I don't even know like, how could people even support something like this. But yeah, it's pretty dumb and pretty stupid according to me. So yeah, I think that we should ignore that. Also, the US CPI data and the India CPI data is coming this week. So so basically from Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, these 3 days will be important. India's GDP data will be coming out. CPI data will be coming out. Then the US CPI data will be coming out, and we need to keep a close eye on that. So I will give you more info about the CPI inflation data on my Telegram channel. So so that's it for the news. Also, TCS results came out. Pretty tight results, not gonna lie. We can't expect multifold profits every quarter. So I mean, yeah, it's pretty decent and all right. I mean, not disappointed, and I think they should really work on their attrition rates according to me. But right now the attrition will be at a peak, but I think it should cool down a little because this guy, what do we call it? The TCS's CEO last quarter he said that attrition rates are going down. So yeah, let's see. That's a stock on which we can keep an eye out for tomorrow. So yeah, that's it for the news. There's no other big whopping news except for this thing, and I just don't know why, but I hate the Bank Nifty chart. Like literally, it's so annoying to mark supports and resistances here. Like look at this, look at this support. No, sorry, look at this resistance. It looks so bad. Like it looks like it's not a resistance, and I've just plotted a line out of nowhere. But that's not the case, guys. If you go to the weekly charts, okay, never mind. It's not on the weekly charts. What? No, it's a good. So I'll take that off. Actually, you know what? This is annoying me. Oh wait, this was this thing. What do we call it? It was a Fibonacci level. What? It's not. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it is a Fibonacci level. See, it's a Fibonacci level. That's why I marked it. See, I'm not dumb. I'm not stupid. Yep. So Bank Nifty chart, it looks very atrocious in my eyes. Bank Nifty chart is very atrocious. I hate the Bank Nifty chart because look at the khichdi it's here, man. Like disgusting. While if you look at Nifty is still far more better and civilized than Bank Nifty. So yeah, so that's it for the global news. Earnings are gonna come out, so keep an eye out for that. If you have invested in your stocks, then please make a watch list and track your stocks accordingly. And I will be making a new watch list, and I will be sharing it on my Telegram for the people who want to trade stocks intraday. And even I want to start trading stocks intraday, because Nifty and Bank Nifty have not been giving promising moves and promising markets for the option buyers, at least for a time. I'm not quitting trading, guys. I'm just saying that I will do stocks and index both at the same time, because we are cool like that. Yes, sir. Okay, now coming to the analysis. So what we are going to be doing is that first we'll go through the weekly charts. First we'll do the Bank Nifty analysis, then we'll come to Nifty analysis. So let me just hide everything. What can you see? You can see there is a downtrend. I need to download this, man. Do I have Epic Pen here? Your ears are gonna die. Let me bring the keyboard close to myself. I'm just gonna download Epic Pen real quick, guys. Apologies, I should have downloaded this a long time ago. But yeah, come on, download. There isn't anyone on my stream anyway, so it's fine. Okay, so no, thank you. No. Finish. Okay. So here I have my pen with me. If it works, yes, thank you. So yeah, here can you see one thing? We went in an uptrend, still in a lower low, lower high formation, right? Let me just reduce this font size of. How do I reduce this size? Yep. So uptrend, lower low, lower high still right now. You can see that currently we are in such a trend line, and we're taking resistance here. But what's interesting is that, see, this candle looks like a bullish Marabozo. Now I don't go deep inside candlestick formations and everything, but this looks like a bullish candle, right? So there is some bullishness which has entered the market. The bears are failing to bring the markets down. So my overall commentary for the market is, right now we are in a halt phase. Okay, you can consider this as a bear market rally, but I mean, the time will say, after the CPI data comes out, time will say if this is a bear market rally or is this actually a retracement. But to be honest, if you really want to be bullish, so what you should do is that you should mark a Fibonacci like this or like this, whatever you want. But for me, till the time we don't cross this level, what do we call? We don't cross 37,500 level. And till the time we don't reach 38,000 level, I won't be bullish, because if we reach 38,000 levels, we have broken this trend and we have changed the direction. Here consolidation happened, then we are going towards an uptrend direction, and we can possibly break these, but that's a very long term view, and this is a weekly analysis. I don't do weekly analysis daily, but this is just what I'm doing because tomorrow is the start of the week. So if we look at the daily charts will show me the same thing, that there is some overstretching happening right now. There was this downtrend followed by some consolidation, volatility here, then we saw this good up move. Now here what I'm expecting is that here I don't want the markets to continue up towards the upside. First resistance will be this will be the resistance. I'll just do this one thing. I'll just show you the resistances. So this will be the first resistance, followed by the 200 moving average. The 200-day moving average will act as a very strong resistance, as seen here. I've given you plenty of examples for the 200 days moving average, so I don't think so I need to explain anything on it further. So here what I'm expecting the markets to do right now is that there are some resistance on the upside, and I will give you the important levels for Bank Nifty. But what I'm expecting is that some small pullback towards the downside, some consolidation here, some time pass, then we can see a good upwards move towards the upside. But this week you need to be cautious because the results are coming out. Then also HDFC Bank is also giving out the results this week, so be cautious. And the inflation data is also coming out, so be prepared. If we see a good up move, good down move also, this gap up can be this gap down also, so please be cautious. Don't take overnight positions, especially this week. Wait for the CPI data to come out, both the India and the US. So yeah, expecting good gaps this week, but I will for the short term to the medium term, I will be bearish once we break this swing and we start trading somewhere here. Once we start trading somewhere here, expect this to be a good resistance, this to be a good support, and we will be back in this range. Okay, so till the time Bank Nifty and Nifty both are like trading above this candle, above this zone, I am still technically bullish. I'll just consider this as consolidation. We'll again make a range or something. Option sellers can make the triangles, and they can make money. But option buyers, please don't carry overnight positions. Go intraday. Follow your 1:2, 1:3, 1:1, whatever you want, risk to reward ratio. But please don't overnight positions, especially this week, please, because various reports will come out, various newses will come out, and you'll just be trapped. So my view for the market, some pullback or some retracement like this. That's what I'm expecting for the markets, at least till this week. So yeah, that's about it. Small retracement to sideways market is what I'm expecting. I'm bullish above this level, this zone. I hope you all have marked it. I hope I hope it's clear for you. So that's it. So yeah, coming to the intraday view for tomorrow. First I'll go to the hourly view. So I need to show you all this one thing real quick. Let me hide the moving average, and yep, I'll show you high and how have I marked the Fibonacci's, which I have marked currently on my chart. Yep, this is one Fibonacci which I needed to show y'all. Come on yaar. Yeah, you see this Fibonacci here, what do you call, if you draw it from here to here, then this is the 50%, so this will act as good resistance. Okay, so this is my Fibonacci methodology which I have given you all. And yeah, so now we'll go through the intraday view. I just wanted to show you why have I marked the Fibonacci, and I'll quickly enable tomorrow's pivots. Okay, these are not tomorrow's pivots. Important levels for Bank Nifty and Nifty. If, as you see, I've drawn a trend line here, which we have already broken. We have retested it also. So I'll go to the situations real quick, but for the time being, I'll show you the important levels. Important levels for Bank Nifty, Nifty. First resistance is 35,291. Then after 35,291, there aren't a lot of resistances because this is a very choppy market, and there you won't find a lot of resistances here. but then will be 36,000. And if you want, what you can do is that you can draw Fibonacci from here if you really want resistance in the middle. Okay, see 36,000, this level is coming. If you really want more resistances, then this level is coming. So yeah, you can draw Fibonacci's according to your methodology. But Guruji, arey yaar, ye, because you called me Guruji, you deserve mod. So yeah, for me the main levels which I'll play for is this. First is the 36,291. After 36,291 gets broken, 129 will be my second resistance. And I think I said 36,291, but it is 35,291. So these are the 20 resistances which I'll be looking out for Bank Nifty, followed by the 200 DMA. 200 DMA will be a good resistance for me in both the indices. Okay, so if I don't mention 200 DMA, which comes around 35,400 levels, then please apologies, but please mark the 200 DMA in your chart and please track it, because that's going to act as a very 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 crucial resistance. You will say that arey yaar, stocks had told me after this gets broken you can take a bullish trade. Arey bhai, no, 200 DMA is there. Fuck this, oh shit, sorry, leave this. The father of all resistances is there somewhere here, 35,400 levels. So please watch out for that. Coming to the important supports, what you can do is in an upward trending market, what you can do is that you can mark swings as the good supports. So for me, first support will be 35,000, 34,000, 35,000. Take 35,000 only. That will be tomorrow's pivot. 35,000 will be the first support, followed by this is 35,000 only, followed by this swing, and this swing. As you can see, if you zoom out even in the 15-minute chart, you can see that this is a kind of overstretched rally, and right now we give a consolidation. You can say arey yaar, flag and pole pattern, let's buy. No, 200 DMA is there, important supports are, important resistance are there. The weekly the news data you are getting, CPI data, everything. So you can't be blindly bullish. You need to have a mild stance before we don't break 200 DMA and we don't trade this inflation data as a good. You can't be fully bullish, right? So yeah, I'm not saying that I am a part of bear cartel and everything, but I'm just giving you facts. Overstretch rally, wait for some consolidation, then give a breakout. 200 DMS there, wait for it to get taken out, wait for this to get taken out, play your strategies, and then maybe you can blindly short puts. You can not buy calls, but you can short puts and make a bull call spread, a bull put spread, etc. So don't be blindly bullish. Wait for the markets to commit to you before you commit to the markets. Is one thing I've learned from Devang Mehra. So yeah, that's it for Bank Nifty important levels. Coming to the situation for tomorrow. So tomorrow in Bank Nifty, let's say if you open gap up about 200 points, if you open gap up 200 points, wait for this retracement, and then we can play a good pullback. Wait for stop loss hunting here. I'll make a good video on stop loss hunting once I fully master stop loss hunting. Then again, wait for the 200 DMA here. The 200 DMA will be somewhere around here only, so please watch out for that. And why am I using this pen? I should use the Epic pen. Yes sir, I'm getting a YouTuber feeling, guys. YouTuber feeling using Epic pen. So wait for this retracement. After this retracement, wait for the 200 DMA, and after we break 200 EMA, then we can take a good bullish trade. Suppose we open flat to negative, flat to positive. If you open here, then what you need to do is this funda is simple. You play this range and you play this range. If we don't see a lot of movement, if you are an option seller, create this range, wait for markets to just hang around in these ranges. Okay, and if you're an option buyer, then wait, please wait. Don't take FOMO trades. Don't ruin your Monday, as it is Mondays. No one likes them, but I love Mondays. But please don't ruin your Monday and don't ruin your week start to your trading week start. So yeah, I just need to quickly check my phone. Yeah, okay. All right, sure. All right, cool. Okay. Yeah. So coming to the other analysis. So funda is simple. Gap up, wait for the retracement and play it. And overstretch rally, so it can get sold off into quite drastically. Like there can be a massive sell off. So please watch out for that. And if you open flat to negative, flat to positive, you know what we need to do. We need to play this range and we need to play this range, and then we'll wait. Breakout or breakdown on these sides can lead to a good trade. Coming to gap down, if you open somewhere here, if you open here, then what we do, we wait and watch. We play this swing. This swing is an important support. This swing is the S1, followed by this will be our R1. So we can, if you want, we can play this range also. Markets will be volatile, choppy markets. This can be like this, whatever, blah 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 blah. So if you open gap down, your volatile day. Option sellers, you can stay away. Option buyers, you can follow your method. Tomorrow seems to be like a trendy day, but again, it's been an overstretch rally. So I won't go what the CPR is saying. CPR is saying it will be a very trendy day, but I won't follow the CPR at least for tomorrow. And yeah, so that is my take for the markets. And I've given you all the three situations, and we'll come to the FIDI data later. I just need to give you all the technical view first of the markets. So yeah, this is it. If you open gap up, flat to negative, flat to positive, gap down, here, not here, but yeah, you get my point. So that is it. If we open flat to negative, flat to positive, gap up, gap down in Bank Nifty, and let's go into Nifty now. Nifty is a little interesting because Nifty weekly analysis first. Weekly analysis in Nifty tells me currently we are downtrend, correct? Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Okay. Right now, some good activities happening here. Like this, we are falling. As you can see here, we gained, we fell, we gained, we fell, we gained, we fell. So here is the same thing happening. Is it or not? Let's see. Time will tell. This looks like a first important resistance. I'll give you the levels later, but just know the technical of how the market is behaving right now. Constant lower high, lower low. You can't go fully bullish here. And yeah, so that's it for the weekly analysis. Weekly analysis again says that there is a bullish engulfing. So there is some bullishness in the markets, which is driving the markets up. Coming to the daily charts again, lower high, lower low, but again some good activity happening here. Yeah, this pen is so irritating. Yep, like this, you see. So this good up move, we sold off. So this good up move, but we are going towards the upside here. So what can we do? We again like Bank Nifty, what we need to do is we need to wait for a retracement, because yaar itna overstretch rally 1000 points from where, from 15,200 to 16,200, 1,000 point rally without any retracement. Sure, this you can consider it as a retracement, but I wouldn't. Again, this is an overstretch rally. Wait for a pullback. Again, I will be bullish till we are trading above this. Once we go here or once we go here, I am again bearish. So yeah, wait for retracement, wait for some consolidation, make this range, then we'll play this breakout. Aram se we'll play. No guy, the markets are always here. You might not be here, I might not be here, but the markets will be here. So don't worry. Tomorrow expecting some pullback here or some consolidation, and then a good breakout, then a double bottom breakout or something. Okay, and nothing crazy to be expected for at least tomorrow, unless there is some GDP data news, CPI inflation data news. Once the CPI news comes, then there will be atank in the market, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, that's it for my daily weekly analysis. Coming to the intraday chart of Nifty. Intraday chart of Nifty again suggests me the same thing. Again, overstretch rally. You can say this can be a good trade for you tomorrow. Nifty was very silent on Friday, so you can say that yaar idhar se breakout I can play. But yaar ye dekho, look at this. If you want to capture like 50 to 100 points, you can. Okay, I'm not saying don't fully go sideways, but please just know that this is an overstretch rally. Please don't carry overnight position. Please don't wait for 400 points targets, because you will not get 400 point targets, especially in Nifty. Okay, unless it's a huge trendy day, unless you will not get it. And this is already a overstretch rally. I'm constantly saying overstretch rally. I'm constantly saying all of that because I'm expecting some consolidation here. tomorrow if we open okay, I'll go to the situations later, but yeah. Again, Nifty, I need you to pay attention to this. Nifty 200 DMA is coming at around 16,550. So we will have to wait. We have to be aware of that level. So coming to the situations for tomorrow. I hope the technicals are clear to you. Downtrend, lower low, lower high. But now we have seen a bullish engulfing, so we can see some there is some buying activity happening in the market. So I hope that everything is clear to you on why the markets can go towards the upside just for a mean retracement. Okay, so yeah, coming to the situation for Bank Nifty and Nifty tomorrow. In Nifty, if we open flat here, if we open somewhere around here or something, what we can expect is that this already a trend line has been broken out. You can mark this and there will be stop losses here. So what you can do is that you can take a trade on this breakout, okay, and that'll get you a good 20-50 point move. And also know that tomorrow CPR is over here. So but if we break CPR, then the CPR will act as a good resistance. So my take on the market, if you open flat to negative, flat to positive, if you open anywhere here, play the CPR range, please play this range and play this range, okay. And I'll go through the important levels in just a moment, but I'll give you the situations first because Nifty is a little interesting for tomorrow. Nifty can be trendy tomorrow, but again expecting some pullback, please, for fuck's sake, for God's sake, sorry. Oh my god, I abuse so much, sorry guys. Okay, so yeah, if you open flat to negative, flat to positive, you know what to do. This trend line has already been broken out. Wait for a retracement, mark this, then we can take a good trade. This can also be our target for tomorrow. And yeah, notice that we have almost been in the range, 15-minute candle range of Nifty on Friday. But if you open gap up, let's say if you open here, then what? First, play the retracement, please. I have marked this level because it's a good Fibonacci level, so please watch out for that. I'll show you how my psychology behind marking that Fibonacci level. Just a moment. No, I think that was not a Fibonacci level, that was a weekly level, which I'll show you just in a moment. Give me 1 second, guys. Where is this, yaar? Yeah, see, so this Fibonacci level is important, 16,378. The 200 DMA is somewhere here. It is somewhere here in the daily charts. So this live stream is again gonna be over 30 minutes. So I'm sorry for taking a lot of your time, but I mean, if this analysis helps you, then it's beneficial for you only for tomorrow. And this gives my trading plan also for tomorrow. So again, flat to negative, flat to positive, you know what we need to do. We need to play this range. Trend line has already been broken out. You can take a trade over there. A good how many point range? 120, 80, 70 point range, 70 point trade. Okay, if you open gap down tomorrow, 16,160 will act as a first support. If you break that, then again, like in an uptrend market, you can mark this swing. This will act as good support. So if you open gap down, volatility is expected. Draw support like this, and play this range and this range. Please don't be very active if we open gap down, because that's again going to cause a lot of volatility. Play rejections and play the reversals, but please, if you open gap down, suppose here or something, then if this gets taken out, then we can see a good trade, and this should be the range for tomorrow. If we open gap down and if we are trading somewhere around here, okay. So funda is simple: gap up, we wait for the retracement; gap up, we wait for the retracement, and then we play it. Flat to negative, flat to positive, trend line has already been broken, then we play this range, okay. Gap down, what we need to do, we need to play the broad base range of this and this. If we break this, then it's a good trade, okay. So yeah, that's it for the situation Bank Nifty. Coming to the important levels in Bank Nifty. For that, I will need to take you to the weekly charts. Yep. Weekly charts. A good resistance which I saw is this. See, here it took support 3 times, here it took support 1 time, here it took support 1 time, here it took resistance 1 time, here it took support 1 time. So overall, this level 16,378 is a good level which you need to watch out for. So for tomorrow and for day after, for like a lot of time, 200 DMA is a good resistance, followed by 16,378, and this consolidation range of 16,486 to 16,400. So this 70 point 60 point range will also act as a good resistance zone. So please watch out for these two levels in Nifty and the 200 DMA, which comes around somewhere around here. So please watch out for it on the daily chart. So to be precise, if I need to give you the levels for tomorrow, 16,378, 16,417 will act as good resistances. And coming to the important supports for Nifty, 16,173, 16,004, and 15,888 will act as good supports for tomorrow in the market. So I've given you the global news, I've given you the situations, both Bank Nifty, Nifty. I've given you the technical analysis, I've given you the psychology we need to go in for tomorrow. Coming to the OI data suggests that 35,000 has good call writing, 35,000 has good put writing, and 35,500 has good call writing. So 35,500 is the immediate resistance, followed by 36,000. 35,000 is a good support, followed by 34,500. And this for Bank Nifty. Coming to Nifty, 16,200, 16,300, 16,500, 16,600, 7, 8, 9, and 17,000 all have good massive call writing. 16,000 has good put writing, it's also good support chart wise. 15,900, and so on and so forth. So basically bulls are equal to bears, so expecting some sideways tomorrow, expecting some relief in the markets, because if this rally continues to go towards the upside, then the fall will be massive, and if the fall is massive, then we'll all panic, and if we all panic, then again we can see some good volatility in the market. So yeah, expecting some pullback to sidewaysness in tomorrow's market. And yeah, I think that's about it, guys. FIs have sold for 74 crores, and FIs and DIs net is minus 74 crores. So are you seeing the intensity of minus 1,000 crore, minus 5,000 crores is all reducing since June 10th? So this is again a sign of relief. And yeah, so let's see what the market has in store for tomorrow. I will not go in the derivative data, but derivative data suggests that all the bullishness is by the FIs, and all the bullishness is more than the combined bearishness from clients, pros, and DIs. So yeah, net to net, what I'm expecting is that tomorrow the market should open on a let's see how the markets open, and accordingly we will see some pullback, and expecting some consolidation in the markets for tomorrow. And yeah, I think that's about it. I've given you all the information that is needed: the OI data, FI data, the situations, then the psychology, global news, global factors, everything. So yeah, guys, I think that's it for my side. If you have any questions, then please make sure to ask me for the next 2 minutes. At 9:10 I will at 9:09 I will end my stream. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. I love you all so much, and you're the best. God bless you, and please be aware, please take notes of these points. Again, I'm not a SEBI registered advisor, blah blah blah. Take points, but don't blindly follow me. Thank you. I'm just keeping the floor open for 2 minutes, and I will let everyone know that the questions are open. Let's wait for 1 more minute. After that, we will end our live stream. Whew. We don't have a lot of viewers, that's the problem. Even the Telegram members are very inactive, man. All good. And let me close this epic. How do I close this shit? It's not even showing up here. Anywhere. Epic package. End task. Okay, so there is still time for 9:10, and after 9:10 I will end my stream. If you all have any questions, then please feel free to ask me. Yep, I don't think so anyone's gonna ask me anything. I've been continuously talking since the last 34 minutes. Jesus Christ. We still have 1 more minute, guys. Please go ahead, ask me questions. I'm waiting. Okay, so is anyone asking me questions or should I end my live stream? Guys, come on, yaar, at least hit the like button or just say hi in chat at least. This is 34 minutes I've been yelling. Come on, yaar, have some respect. Please, just write hi. Okay, so it's 9:10. I will be ending my stream. I'll meet you tomorrow in tomorrow's market analysis. Thank you guys. I love you all. God bless you. Good night.